This random act of kindness will restore your faith in humanity. In 2014, a young girl named Bella was diagnosed with a rare form of cancer. She underwent surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy, but unfortunately, she didn't make it. A few years later, her parents met a man who had lost his wife and two daughters to cancer. He started to tell them about how he was feeling, how he was struggling to move on. And they told him about Bella and how much they missed her. He then did something that no one has ever done before. He recorded a video message for Bella's 18th birthday, which would be her first birthday in heaven. In the video, he tells her about all the good things that are happening in the world, about how people are coming together to help each other, about how there is still good in the world. He then asked Bella to close her eyes, count to 10, and then open her eyes to see all the good things that are waiting for her. When Bella's parents watched the video, they were crying. They couldn't believe that someone would do this for their daughter. This man's name is Tom, and he is a true hero.